Hey, Team NumisCanada. That's what I call my subscribers. Hello, coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to NumisCanada with Bruce. And today we have yet another mail call, but this is a combination of Royal Canadian Mint and friend mail from NumCan. So we'll get into both of these right after this. Welcome back. Well, let's get into the Royal Canadian Mint package first. And we'll just set this here. And get out my trusty knife. And make the surgical cuts. Last time I did them off screen, so I'll do them in front of you so you can see what I'm doing. As I said, these are easy to get into, but very secure because they look tampered with if you don't. And the paper was face up that time, so I just flipped it before you had a chance to look. And we'll get it out of the way. There we go. There's a bundle inside and an empty box. So let's get into this. And we have this says it's from the Royal Mint, and yet it came from the Royal Canadian Mint, but there's both the Royal Mint logo and the Royal Canadian Mint logo on here. And we have a large box in here, and again inside it says it is both coins. I'm just going to set that there. I'll get the knife out of the way. Safety first. Also don't want to scratch any of the boxes or cases. And we have here, oh my goodness, they're not oriented. Okay. And we have in here 2 coins, and this is celebrating the Platinum Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth, and they're Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, and Platinum Jubilee, and so we have that, and we have a joint certificate, and it says there are 5,500 sets minted, and this is number 1,331. And we have the certificate of authenticity in English and in French. And that is for each coin. And we go over here, and here are the pieces. And here. And the UK coin is 999 fine silver, and the Canadian coin is 49 fine silver. I think I got that right. Yes, that's right. Sorry, I had to read it just to catch up on what's in here. So let's look at the UK coin first. And it has 1952 to 2022. And it's on... I'm not quite sure what that says on there, but this must be the Queen's personal. But I don't have a fill light on. My apologies. Let me do let's turn on the fill light. There we go. And that's the Queen's personal crest. And on the other side, she is mounted, and it says Elizabeth II, DG Regina, FD, 2 pounds, 2022. And anybody that has been to Ottawa will know that there is a statue of Queen Elizabeth on a horse outside the Parliament buildings. So that is from the Royal Mint, and from the Royal Canadian Mint, they have Queen Elizabeth in 1922 and 2022. And I believe this is her in her coronation dress. And I'll have pictures of these. And we'll flip it over, and it is Queen Elizabeth on the other side. She's on both sides. This is a lovely set, and I'm so pleased to have it. May she live long and prosper. I know that's a Vulcan greeting, but that's what I desire for her. She is the queen that we love. And let's put that in there. Well, that's all we have for you today. Part 2 of this featuring CanCan's package will be next week, and we hope you'll stay tuned for that. Take care, and thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.